guys stand there. Look at the funnel cloud. Look. Look at the funnel.
I don't want to die this young.
Electricity went out.
Dude, this is gnarly, man. I'm in a tornado again for the second time. Dude, there's a tornado right there. Oh my God, get in your house before you die, people.
That's a tornado.
Dude, it just went behind the house. It went. Oh, my daddy's alright. My grandma's back in Kroger's.
Where you at?
Oh, Grandma Connie wants to play it.
Tornado behind the follow train.
Oh my God.
I swear to God, I gotta see you swirling everything around.
Dude, your car's gonna flip. Your car's gonna flip, G.
Heather's filming it. Listen. It's here. It's here.
Ow! Ow!
Get back in there, I said.
No, it's
Don't
no.
Dude, we don't live there.
It's get behind the follow.
Dude, it flew all the way on the road.
From our yards on 14 now. There.
Swear on Lord Jesus.
Yeah, we watched it swirling behind the follow.
Watch this, watch.
It's picking shit up. Huh? Yeah, hail's everywhere. Hail's the size.
Oh, my